Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule your messages to be sent at a particular time using Telegram. If you've written emails using Gmail before, you should be pretty familiar with this feature. It allows you to send them at a specific time that you set, and it's really useful for things like work emails or whatever sort you use them for. So to get started, I have my Telegram window open and I've typed a short message. If I want to schedule a particular time for this message to be sent, all I have to do is right click on the send icon here at the bottom right and click on schedule message. So here I can set a particular time. You can also set it to repeat, but this is a Telegram premium feature. So for example, I want to send this tomorrow at 8 a.m. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'm going to input that and click on schedule. And now it opens up the scheduled messages window. If you want to view your scheduled messages, you can do so by clicking on this calendar icon and it should show you. Another thing you can do with this context menu is to send messages when a person is online. So for example, I want to send them a particular message that might be important and I want them to be notified about it the moment they are online. So I'll click on send when online, and this just lets it be more respectful of your recipient's time, whatever they've got going on. And lastly, the last thing you can do is also to send a message without sound. So this means that they won't receive any notification at all. There we go. So you can see it sent me a notification from my other account, but it didn't play any notification sound. This is what it would have sounded like if I sent a regular message. There we go. You can hear the notification sound. So that's how you can schedule messages and send them when a person is online or at a particular time using Telegram. It's a really useful feature that many people should use a lot. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.